this is new. Let's get us a go and see how this smell, Joe. It don't really have a scent. It has like a sort of little thing, like hospital lotion or something. I don't even know no hospital lotion, child. But it smells okay. My cup of tea, not personally. All right. All right, my loves. You see this rag? I'm not gonna begin to tell you that this is a Dollar Tree color. Oh, yes, it is. You want to stick around for this. You're going to like this. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here delivering for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Let's go. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. So today we are at Bellevue Dollar Tree. Okay, I think this is Bellevue. I know it's north of Newark. Let's see if they're going to have us move our feet to the view. They got some nice complexes over here, if I may say so myself. Let's go inside. Okay, this Dollar Tree, they had some steal deals for real, okay? Let me be the first to say. Now, you see this? They have the Freeman, the Pore Cleansing Peel Off Gel Mask, $1.25, Volcano Ash Detoxifier. All right. Now they also have the watermelon and aloe. We had seen these last time. Absolutely amazing, $1.25. They also have the Marcella Cleansing Jelly Water, $1.25. Let me tell you something. If you guys are looking for makeup or skincare, check out Dollar Tree because they have some steal deals trills for real. Okay. Now they also have the Yes to Tomatoes, the Daily Balance and Moisturizer. This is normally $7 something in the stores. Dollar Tree got it for $1.25. Now, honey, it's giving me Ulta vibes. You get what I'm saying? It really is. Now, they have the Nad beads. Now, we done tried these. Now, not this, the name, okay? Honey, you guys, if you didn't see that video, you may want to check that video out. The first time I waxed in my entire life, well, my underarms. You know, I would do the eyebrows and stuff like that. But Nad beads, these are normally $14.99. In fact, this is the Salon Wax Beads Refill. This is the Hard Wax. Long-lasting results with tea tree oil to soothe skin and reduce redness. $1.20. Where you gonna get this from, Linda? $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has this cosmetic bag. In fact, I think this is pretty much the last one. I remember they had these a few months ago, about a month ago. These are $1.25, these cosmetic bags. In fact, you get two for the price of one. Is a smaller one inside. If you guys can see, this is $1.25. Now, other amazing items that Dollar Tree has is these Even New York. Now, these are the 24-hour metallic lip gloss. They come in several different colors. Absolutely love this. This is a name brand. Now, I know Dollar Tree also have the lip liners, but at this location, honey, I don't even see them here unless they sold out. This is really, really cute. They also have the bright pink, and they also have this purple. I know it looks black doll face, but honey, I can guarantee you it's purple. And they also had the red, but I don't see any red here. All right, family, I got it. Let's try it. So this is the Eben, I think that's how you pronounce it, Eben, New York. Now, this is the red. You guys, if you don't know, I absolutely love red. Mainly matte finish. But this is like a 24-hour Vivid Shine Lip Gloss, Long Last Lip Wear. Okay. I don't think it's the red that I was expecting, but we shall see. Okay, this not bad. Okay. Now normally I like that bright red, but this not bad at all. I like this. It goes on so smooth. It's like really, really silky. This applicator, oh my goodness. This is so good, this applicator. I like this. Honey, for $1.25. Girl, please. Now, my loves, have you guys seen these? These are the Orchid Feminine Wipes, pH balance for gentle care, helps keep odor under control. 40 wipes you get, strawberry scented, super convenient for on-the-go use, provides a fresh feeling throughout the day. $1.25. My loves, do you mind if I take it away? Do you mind if I take it away? Do you mind if I slay every day? Okay, well, I mean, if you don't mind, that's neither here nor there, because I'm just going to have to do what I need to do. You get what I'm saying, Linda? Now, let's get into these gorgeous fun finds from Dollar Tree. I can only give you the treats that's going to have you move your feet. You ready for this? All right, let's go do this. 1, 2, 3. Beach Vacay. You see this? This is an Onyx bathhouse. Now, we done been through this time and time again. Onyx bathhouse is a name brand. Yes, yes, yes. Now, this is the foam and body scrub they have. And then they also have the daiquiri with coconut oil bath bomb. $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree selling gift little packages? Come on, girls. They have some more amazing items. Honey, hold on 1 second. Now, Dollar Tree also have the naturally helps relieve pain and other PMS symptoms. Eucalyptus, this is another hit from Onyx Bathhouse. And let me tell you something. Instead of my daughter using one of these, she used 2. It's 4 to the pack, and they have 2 different kinds. They have the eucalyptus, and then they also have the lemongrass. We have the lemongrass, but this one is the eucalyptus. Same as that concept. Love it. For $1.25. This is a steal deal. But wait, my loves, it gets even better than this. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the daily concept, individuals who think in the shower, daily round silicone scrubber, expunge, exfoliate, okay, finger loop on the back, travel size. This is great for washing, you know, your face and stuff like that. Is a sponger. But you know what I like? I like those African mesh rags, those washcloths from the African shop. Honey, it'll scrub your skin off, but it's so good. And these are $1.25. Honey, you know what? Dollar Tree is just showing out at this point, to be exact. Name brands galore. All right. Did you guys see the Invisible Bible? This is a name brand. It's $1.25. Now, honey, I don't think that this is really for my hair, right? Okay, what I'm gonna do with this? But some of the girlies who got the real straight hair, because I got the kinky hair, all right, this would definitely be for you, boo. Now, maybe if you got kinky and you like Dina, well, I use that, honey. You gotta do what works for you, all right? Now, Dollar Tree also have this other thing. I don't even know what this is, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So it's called Gimme 12 hair dry shower bands. No snag. Oh, this is good. Upgrade your shower game. Water and mildew resistant. Hook and store and shower. This is $1.25. Absolutely love Dollar Tree hair clips. They look so jazzy mazzy, okay? They have these scrunchies, 3 pieces for $1.25. The claw clips, I absolutely love it. I'm a gold girl, love the gold. Now, these are really fancy. The bobby pins, honey, if you're going out with a bang, you better come on down to Dollar Tree and do your thing. Now, 3 pieces, I guess these are going up to $1.50. They have that red sticker. Honey, you know that red sticker means a price increase. Now, they also have the bobby pins over here, 3 pieces as well, $1.50. Let's just say $1.50. They also have these claw clips, the smiley faces. Love this. 10 pieces for $1.25. Really cute. This one has 3 pieces for $1.25. More bobby pins, $1.50. Okay. Now, an item that I absolutely love is this, the Freeman and Smoothing Eye Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. This is so good. Absolutely love this. It's $1.25. It's not like real super thick. Really good. And considering it has this pumper up here so you could distribute just enough, I absolutely love this. Now, my loves, we talked about this. You guys better get on down to Dollar Tree. This is the LED semi-curled gel nip strips. Now, the only thing that's a little puzzling is I keep seeing the strips, but at these different Dollar Tree locations, I do not see the actual gel machine. That's $1.25. I don't see it. I only see these. Another hit item, Dollar Tree also have the blush serum cheek and lip color, nourishing water based. Okay. For $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Power Stick Body Spray, Pacific Nights, notes of jasmine, pear, and that P-word. Yeah, honey. All right, honey. If you like strong scents, this may be for you. But honey, this is too strong for my liking. $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the personal care body wash, sugar key lime scented. We seen these before, honey. They smell absolutely amazing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the root touch up. $1.25 quickly and easily covers grays and roots. Honey, my grays are here to stay. Now, this is $1.25. If you are looking for some body wash pens for your chilling, honey, these are $1.25. Shock and strawberry scented they also have this one, jazzberry jam scented. I know that's right. Come on through, marketing team, for the ones and twos. Screaming green apple scented. Ooh, blueberry scented. And galloping grape scented. $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for a hand soap that hits every time and never misses, it would be the Delta hand soap, watermelon and basil. This smells so good. Honey, thank me later. You might as well just thank me in the comments now, because you're going to like this. Watermelon and basil, and it smells just like it. Now, if you looking to get jiggy and you on a budget, come on down to Dollar Tree and come on and get you some of these. Now, I do have, I believe, is it the white ones I have in my bathroom right now? Yes, I do. I have only two. Okay, these two. These are $1.50. They have different colors. They have the dark blue. Then you could even put these in your guest bathroom. It's all according to how you set this up, okay? They also have this dark gray. They have the black. And then they also have the soap holder, okay, the soap dish. And then, honey, stop scratching your back with that big fork that you keep using, and come on down to Dollar Tree and get you a back scratcher. Being ghetto, this is $1.50. Come on now, my loves. If you guys are looking for a good meal, all right, maybe you're on a budget, okay, maybe you're getting some stamps like me. Honey, the Boston Homestyle Mills Market Hot Honey Chicken Fried Chicken. Honey, thank me later. $3. This is a stale deal. If you guys are looking for Halloween costumes for your children, maybe they ages 3+, all right? The avocado one. And then they also have this. Is this a burger? I think this is a burger. These are $5. Now, Dollar Tree also have these little pumpkins over here. This is the core decorative pumpkins. These are $6. These are cute. I like these. And my fave is definitely the potted centerpieces. These are so gorgeous to me. Absolutely love this. Now, they have some, this red. This red is so good. Now, if you guys need a vacuum cleaner for your car, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Now, these were $5, but I guess they're going up probably to like $6 or so. Winner's Choice vacuum cleaner, strong suction, high power, organic honey, don't give me the lion. Design, $5. Another hot item is these stackable drawers. These are $5. Now, normally they come in different colors, but at this location, they just have the green. Absolutely love that. If you looking to save on your buck, Dollar Tree has the wild berry scented oil warmer and refill. 2 of these for $3.25. Really, really good. And it also comes with the plug-in. Absolutely love this. And they have different ones: vanilla papaya, waterfall, wild berry. They also have the 3-pack that doesn't have like the actual plug-in: wild lavender, cotton linen, and Hawaiian breeze. And if you like, well, I just want to see if it's really gonna smell like that, honey, they got you covered. You know, scratch and sniff. All right, family, so we gonna get this a go. This is the Even, okay, the 24-hour Vivid Shine lip gloss. Now, you guys know normally I'm a matte girl, but I'm gonna just give this a go and see how this is, okay, Joe? $1.25. All right, family, so hopefully this delivers, okay? Hopefully. We gonna see. We gonna get this a go. Now, let me know in the comment section what goodies did you guys pick up from Dollar Tree this week. And if you have not picked up any goodies, what items are you looking to pick up from Dollar Tree? Honey, Dollar Tree nowadays, honey, they be out here styling and definitely profiling. You hear what I'm saying? With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.